A male glittering peacock spider, searching for a mate. Easier said than done. These spiders are smaller than a lentil. Another male has already found a female, but he still needs to win her over. Female peacock spiders are very picky. How the male looks and moves must be just right. Get it wrong and get rejected. There are over 80 different kinds of peacock spiders, each with their own unique display, specially choreographed to the tastes of the female of that species. A male will dance like his life depends on it when courting a predatory female.